If you happen to have an Amex Platinum Card with a significant annual fee due soon, then you should probably call the number on the back of your credit card and chat with an Amex agent. You may be offered a huge retention offer that more than makes up for the yearly fee. Find out how by watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest business world news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. And so without further ado, let's start with today's video. You're probably familiar with the life cycle of credit cards. You usually sign up for a particular card for its perks, such as fantastic lounge access, or maybe even some excellent statement credits. It just doesn't make sense to keep your credit cards open in many instances. For example, suppose you previously traveled a ton for your work or business and have transitioned to a less road warrior lifestyle. In that case, you might be calling into question some of the perks of your cards. In this case, you might be considering closing a credit card as you just don't use it that often. If you're on the fence and you see value in keeping your credit cards open, there's a very easy way to sweeten your pot: retention offers. Now, credit card retention offers are best defined as one-time incentives extended from card issuers to continue your card membership. The big banks spent a good amount of money most of the time marketing their credit cards, offering recurring benefits and funding initial welcome bonuses. Credit card issuers don't really recuperate their initial investment until later down the line, which shows just how favorable the credit card's rewards are for savvy consumers. So what are retention offers? Well, once a credit card issuer has spent hundreds of dollars along with the welcome bonus in cash back or points, it needs to find a way to recoup that investment. So you close your card after only a year or two, especially if you aren't using it regularly. The issuer will likely lose money on you. Some issuers will extend targeted retention offers to encourage customers to keep a card open longer. These offers can take the form of statement credits, bonus points, or reductions, or outright waivers of an annual fee. Anything that helps persuade you to keep the card open and keep spending on the card in the issuer's eyes. For instance, multiple cardholders of the Platinum Card from American Express reported that the $695 annual fee was partially waived with a statement credit. They were offered bonus points when they called to tell a representative that they considered canceling. One TPG reader said they were able to get an offer for a $95 credit after spending around $95 on the Citi Premier card. Where you aren't guaranteed to get a retention offer only because you asked for one, it's not uncommon to receive one when you know how to do it. When it comes to the basic strategy for getting a retention offer, it's generally pretty simple. You call the card issuer, then explain that you're considering closing the card, wait for their response, and then accept or decline the retention offer. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? You generally want only to pursue retention offers when a yearly fee is posted. Previously, you could ask for retention offers a mid-card member year, and depending on the circumstances, you could have qualified for a retention offer. This borderline abusive behavior has mainly resulted in fewer people getting retention offers, so it's a good idea to ask for a card retention offer if it makes sense, usually when a yearly fee is posted to your account. However, one common misconception about retention offers is that you can only get them if you're trying to close a card. Indeed, you'll generally have the most success asking for a retention offer right around the time your annual fee posts, since many people decide to cancel a card, but you can try your luck at any time. Each credit card issuer handles retention offers differently. Some, like Amex, have a proper dedicated retention department to which you can ask to be transferred. You can even use the chat feature online or on the mobile app with Amex. And for other cards, a frontline customer service representative might be able to help you. But always keep this in mind, that at no point should you actually say, "I want to close the card," only that you're thinking about it. But this is obviously entirely anecdotal. But many users have found American Express to be the most generous with retention offers. Over the past year, users have received retention offers on 3 different Amex cards, which Chase rarely gives them out, though it's more common on co-branded Chase cards than the issuer's Ultimate Rewards branded cards. So what type of offers are there? Well, depending on the issuer, there are 3 different offers you might receive. Bonus points or miles. Sometimes you'll simply be given points for agreeing to keep the account open, even though more often than not, it'll be an offer similar to a welcome bonus. You can spend a certain amount of money in a specific period of time in order to earn bonus rewards. Annual fee reduction or waiver can be as good as cash, depending on the card. A yearly fee reduction may be enough to push the card past its break-even point when you factor in benefits such as statement credits or elite status. Even if you don't plan to use the card much, if you get an annual fee waiver, you can then keep the card open for another year, boosting your credit score. Statement credits. Same as above, sometimes applied directly to the account but required some spending to earn more often. Moreover, credit card issuers want to keep their most valuable customers. It goes without saying that the more you spend on your credit card, the more likely you are to receive the offer. Sometimes you may even be given a choice between bonus points or a statement credit, in which case you can quickly pull up the TPG's monthly valuation series and then decide which offer is much better. So why should you pay attention to retention offers? The retention offers can really sweeten the deal if you're on the edge to closing a card. Obviously, closing your credit card could be a losing situation in which the banks don't keep you as a customer and you don't get to enjoy the same benefits on the card you used to. If you're debating closing a specific card, it's worthwhile to try to spend some time and researching if you can get a retention offer. You might also be able to earn a nice pile of points for keeping your account open. Every time a yearly fee hits on one of your cards, you have to decide to cancel it or keep it open. Even if you think you know what you have decided to do, you cannot be sure until you have all the details in front of you. Spending 5 to 10 minutes on the phone might earn you enough points for a one-way flight to Europe on a credit card you already wanted to keep open. Basically, closing down your credit card can hurt your credit score by reducing the number of open accounts or your credit utilization ratio. Now, we've talked you through the benefits of retention offers, what types of retention offers are available, as well as the process for checking retention offers with the major banks. You can also avoid closing down credit cards if you're on the fence by calling the credit card issuer and checking for retention offers. Who knows? You will never know if you will then qualify for one, even if you do not put much spending on your card without asking. So now you have a great idea of how retention offers work and how you could potentially get them. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found this interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be kept up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.